my name is Hamza Muhammad. I'm 14 years old. I joined UC Mass 3 years ago. I started at level 1 and now I'm level 7. UC Mass has affected my life by making me more focused at my studies and making me answer much faster at mental math questions. I participated and won 4 competitions and now I'm preparing for the 5th one. I'm so proud to be joined in this wonderful program.
6, 2, minus 3, 1, minus 5, 9, minus 7, 8, 4, 8, 2, 9, 4, minus 5, minus 1, 6, 8, 7, minus 9, 1, answer.
45.
Very good. 36, 59, 91, 20, 68, answer. Yes, very good. 4, 6, 8, 1, 1, answer. 6 minus 5, 7, minus 6, 7, answer.
9. 1.
Very good. 9. Okay, next. 3, 6, minus 7, 2, minus 4, answer.
0.
Very good. Next.
1, 7, minus 6, answer.
2.
Very good. 3, 6, minus 8, answer.